Liquid just arrived at my doorstep. I'm still in the process of getting ready, but I just couldn't wait to unbox this. My standard beauty order. Actually, I ordered 2 orders because if you guys have seen the sale, it's so crazy. Not just was I influenced by the sale, but my friend Pazzy recently also ordered a standard beauty order, and I always trust her opinion on everything. So you know I had to order when the sale came around. So if you're not following, if you're not following her yet, I'm gonna tag her down below. Do yourself a favor and follow her, because you're missing out if you're not following her already. So let's get into this. So it's a small order, but like I said, there's another order on its way. Oh, stock is flying, guys. So let's see. Yay. Okay. First of all is the hydrating blueberry smoothie scrub. I know the strawberry daiquiri is super popular, but I really want to try the blueberry one because, why not? So I don't know if I also ordered, I can't remember what's my other order, but here is that. It's got AHA fruit acids, helps you soften your skin and increase cell turnover. There is that. And then next up is the Serious Barrier Protection Moisturizer. I love like how they've made their like titles of the or names of the product. It's like so cute. I love a good moisturizer, so I'm so excited to try this and let you know what I think. And then last but not least is this Thick and Long. I can't remember if I ordered this. I ordered a tripeptide lip glaze with hyaluronic acid, tripeptides and jojoba, but I got a Thick and Long lash and brow geo serum. So I'm not too sure what happened there. Maybe they didn't have stock, I don't know. But yeah, I'll maybe just send them a message and let them know. But I don't think I ordered this, no, because on my invoice here, got the 3 products that I ordered. I don't know, I'll just send them a message. But then just snip this in the bud and say, those are my products. Let me know if you want to see me like reviewing these. I'll definitely do these 2 and then wait on confirmation about this. I have to let you know and update you. Standard Beauty is amazing with their customer service. I sent them an email just explaining to them, because I honestly don't mind the lash serum. It's just like on the invoice it says there's a lip treatment, so on their end, like with stock taking and that, it won't make sense at all because there's no like record on the invoice of the lash serum. So yeah, just want to let them know, and they literally so speedy, so amazing. So I just told them I'm going to keep the lash serum, and next time I'll get the tripeptide lip glaze. And yeah, they're just so phenomenal, and like the customer service is amazing. Like that's how I want to be treated as a customer. So just a shout out to them. Thank you so much, Standard Beauty, for your amazing customer support. So yeah, stay tuned for my second unboxing when I receive my goodies.